Every year, the world produces gold worth over $12 trillion. Before it reaches vaults and jewelry stores, gold must survive explosions, acid baths, and fire hot enough to melt stone. This is how humanity turns raw earth into the most desired metal on the planet from start to finish. Gold starts its journey deep underground, trapped in veins of quartz and sedimentary rock. To access it, massive drills bore into layers of stone, while controlled explosions loosen ore-rich rock. The blasted material is scooped by giant machines and loaded onto heavy-duty trucks that transport it to processing areas. From the outside, the rock appears ordinary, but tiny flecks of gold hide inside. Recovering these particles requires precision and patience. At the processing plant, ore is crushed into fine powder by industrial mills, creating a slurry when mixed with water. This mixture allows gold to be separated from other minerals through gravity and chemical reactions. Cyanide solution or other chemical agents dissolve the gold, leaving behind waste material. Filters and activated carbon absorb the gold particles, producing a concentrated mixture. Despite the massive scale, only a fraction of the original ore contains gold, making extraction a meticulous, resource-intensive step in the production process. After initial concentration, the semi-pure gold, often called gold sludge, is collected for transport to refineries. During this stage, every gram counts, so quality checks ensure maximum recovery. Heavy machinery, conveyors, and sluice systems handle thousands of tons of rock daily, separating gold efficiently. The extracted material still contains impurities such as silver, copper, and other metals, requiring further processing. This careful handling ensures that the final product can meet industry standards and be ready for the intense refining steps that follow in smelting and purification. Mining operations also involve continuous testing to determine the gold content in extracted ore. Laboratory assays and chemical analyses provide precise measurements of purity and quantity. This data guides processing techniques and ensures optimal efficiency. Even with advanced machinery, the process is a race against time and cost. Moving tons of ore, separating gold, and minimizing losses. The combination of mechanical force, chemical processing, and human oversight defines the early stage of gold production, turning what seems like worthless rock into the starting point for a trillion-dollar metal. By the end of the extraction stage, the concentrated gold is ready to leave the mine. Trucks carry the semi-pure gold to refineries where the transformation into molten, high-purity bars begins. Every step so far, drilling, blasting, crushing, chemical separation, ensures maximum recovery of this valuable metal, though only a small fraction of the original rock that ultimately creates bars worth billions. The semi-pure gold, often called doré, arrives at the refinery for smelting. Here, massive furnaces heat the metal to temperatures above 1,000 degrees Celsius, turning it into molten gold. Impurities, including silver, copper, and other trace metals, rise to the surface and are skimmed off. The intense heat allows technicians to control the chemical reactions precisely, ensuring that only gold remains. After refining, the gold is remelted to ensure homogeneity before casting. Furnaces maintain precise temperatures, and flux materials are added to capture residual impurities. Molten gold is poured into molds to produce bars or ingots of standard size and weight. Cooling is gradual to maintain structural integrity, and each bar is checked for density and uniformity. This stage ensures the gold meets international purity standards and is suitable for storage, investment, or industrial use, completing the critical transformation from raw concentrate to near-perfect metal. These bars are ready to enter global markets, shipped to banks, jewelers, and technology manufacturers. The journey from rock to refined gold is complete, yet each ounce represents years of industrial engineering, chemical precision, and human oversight. Smelting and purification turn uncertain, raw ore into highly valuable, stable, and universally recognized wealth, forming the foundation of the trillion-dollar gold industry that drives global economy economies. Once refined, the molten gold is ready for casting. Large furnaces hold the gold at exact temperatures to maintain fluidity, while fluxes capture residual impurities. The molten metal is poured into molds of standard sizes, forming bars, ingots, or custom shapes for industrial applications. Each mold is carefully filled to avoid air pockets or cracks, and cooling is gradual to maintain structural integrity. By the end of this stage, gold has transformed from semi-pure concentrate into solid, certified, high-purity forms suitable for storage or commercial use. After casting, bars undergo strict quality checks. They are weighed, measured, and inspected for surface imperfections. Samples are taken to laboratories for assay testing to verify purity. Any irregularities are corrected by remelting and recasting. This meticulous process ensures each bar meets international standards, whether it is destined for a vault, jewelry manufacturer, or electronics factory. With the refining and casting complete, gold is now ready to enter the global market. Every bar carries value derived from years of mining, chemical processing, and industrial precision. From molten liquid to solid ingot, the metal has been purified to nearly 99.99%, ensuring quality and consistency. This stage also sets the foundation for distribution and use in banks, electronics, and jewelry. The casting process transforms raw industrial material into tangible, tradable wealth, making gold one of the most critical resources in the modern economy. Once quality is confirmed, gold enters global circulation. Bars are stored in vaults, shipped to financial institutions, jewelry manufacturers, or industrial clients. The scale of production is staggering. Trillions of dollars worth of gold moves through trade networks annually. Its journey from mine to market impacts economies, technology, and investment markets worldwide. Gold powers industries, decorates luxury items, and underpins financial systems. The careful control and tracking at every step ensure that its immense value is preserved, making gold a critical commodity for governments and corporations alike. Beyond economics, gold has industrial applications that require flawless purity. Electronics rely on its conductivity. Aerospace uses it for corrosion resistance, and medical devices depend on its reliability. Even tiny imperfections could disrupt high-tech applications. This necessity drives advanced testing and refining practices, where laboratories continuously monitor chemical composition and structural integrity. Each bar represents countless hours of industrial engineering, scientific expertise, and human oversight, illustrating why gold has maintained its status as a universally coveted resource across history and continues to drive the modern economy. Now that you've seen how gold transforms from rock to trillion-dollar bars, it's your turn to weigh in. Which country do you think leads the gold industry today? Comment your thoughts below. We'll explore another billion-dollar marvel of modern production, how microchips are made, from silicon to the chips powering every device worldwide.